Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We need to find about complementary solutions and particular solution. So I will put yc, that is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s, and then we go to second the derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So this is about complementary, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here. So if we look carefully, this is about number 2. So number 2 not contain about y. That means we need to put number 2 go to the right. So this one we not consider number 2 in here. So this one I will put in here, and this one I will put in here. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we have lambda square plus 3 lambda. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So this one we got lambda equals to number 0 and lambda equals to negative number 3. So we have yc, that is about c number 1, the constant number 1, e to the power of 0s, and this one we have number 1, c number 2, e to the power of negative 3s. About particular solutions, we can see that we have this one and negative number 2. So in this one I will put about yb equals to a, but a we have the constant c number 1, so that means we need to increase more, so that should be about a s. Next we have b e to the power of negative s, and c e to the power of negative 2s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yb, so we have a minus b e to the power of negative s and negative 2c e to the power of negative 2s, and then we go second the derivative of yb. This one you got number 0. This one we have positive b e to the power of negative s, negative number 2, negative number 2, we have positive number 4. So I will put this one and this one go in here. So that should be like this. Now we simplify. So this one, we can see that be e to the power of negative s with negative 3b. So that should be about negative number 2b in here. For c, with negative number 2 multiplied by number 3, we have negative number 2c e to the power of negative 2s. And the last one, we have 3a. And we know that this one equals to this one. So this one we have number 1. So negative 2b equals to number 1. So b equals to negative 1 over 2. Negative 2c equals to number 1. C equals to negative 1 over 2. And the last one, so we put ABC go in here. So we put in here. So we need to combine YC and YB. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.